เลยมีเนี่ยสามมาแล้วมีการไฟพร้อมจะตามไปดองขณะเป็นมีการโอ้
ซาจับโอเค
ไฟเด็ด
ช่วยนักกอดใจบอลช่วยนักการเชียร์มาต่อแต่ช่วยนักมินเนี่ย
ไม่เนียนไฟเตี้ย
ไม่เนียนไฟเตี้ย
ไฟจะมาดีสบายซามาไว้บอลเชียร์เสลอฟัดไอ้จับบ็อกซี่เตะบ็อกซี่มวย
ไม่เนียนไฟเตี้ยไม่เนียนไฟเตี้ยไม่เนียนไฟเตี้ยไม่เนียนไฟเตี้ยไม่เนียนไฟเตี้ยไม่เนียนไฟเตี้ยไม่เนียนไฟเตี้ย
โอ้ยดังนี้แต่ครบมวยแต่เราได้ยกเพี้ยนมันได้ยกเติมเตี้ยพอได้บ็อกซี่โอเค
cái nó sân bẩn là ôi thời của cái như bẹ cho chim thật rồi bà của ba siêu của cái nữa bây giờ cái cho ba siêu của cái lực bán nó bây giờ chim với tam mày nói thay chi mày
ô sao
mày cái bác sĩ hay là
nói vậy
hay là nó đi cua tao bé thôi
OP qua đất bên
đi seven
xa mấy ca bọc chặt trốn đằng này bác sĩ nó tam đằng này tay nó tag theo tay nó bên bay choมันมาเคลียร์มองไปตอนนั้นเลย tag เที่ยว
thằng lê sao mà đây đi khi mà này bị sinh nụ cho mà tao bóng à hello
bà bác sĩ banจะช่วยจะเลยสิงมันได้ดาวปีโซโลคิล
ปีออฟเล็กเอาอีกประธานในไทยเดียด
จมไม่เก้หนึ่ง
จม
ไปมวยแย่มวยมาจากกับน้าจุ๊บเลยมาได้ปีนี้สบายเลยจับโจนบล็อกซี่เป็นแล้วมาตะทอตีมวยกับบ้านเชงมาด้วยเนี่ยมาได้เมื่อกรองนาชนะยอดชมวยจะทอมาดิมาสิงแม็กซ์แท็กแต่ละแบบไปอธิปัญหาไปคูเซนในการลงแข่งแต่ละโอปีมาไปตีสวรรค์ไปประคำเอาโอปีดาวเพลย์โตเนี่ยไปได้บล็อกซี่กับบ้านมาช่วยด้วยมาได้จุ๊บตะทอตีมวยมีการโชว์มาไปทางโปรอีสปอร์ต
ดีสบายโลบัต
มันการโลปนายจุมันเอซูคนดังรถเอาทอสารตะเลบาดูใบกับตะเลบาดูจ้าควันละสามโมงจุมันฟิลิปไม่ใบตัวตะมวยเป็นไอเอสมาช่วยแต่บัตรบอลจุมันฟิลิปมาได้บัตรบอลจุมันฟิลิปโตจุมันตะทอตีมวยปีแข่งโปรอีสปอร์ต
บ้า
มีเรื่องอะไรใช่
ว้าวในขนมแกมตีมวยในกำนุกกระไรสัตว์จะตามดองกูเล่นขังเลอ
เฮลโล
เซ็ง
เอซู
เอบีสปินมวยไปไหนบอกจอมซันจับชื่อรูปใบมวยขึ้นมาต่อกันไปแจ้งจุมันดีสเปนโอ้โนเดเมนต์เลยจุมันบักซี่ไปจุมันบักซี่ตายมาชื่อโนเต้
ปิดต้นจะไปแต่นั้นเลื่อนหมองมาไปเดียวกันเจอก้อน
บาดมวยนังเซ็งจุมันได้แค่ซองมาไปพิคูเซนจุมันได้จุมันไม่ได้ไวกันนี่ยอดแมนเต้นมีเรื่องไอ้เจ้
ใบดองไอ้สิงบ่า
สังเครียมนี่มั้งสังเครียมกูไล่หน่อยไหม
ใบดองไอ้สิงเอ้ยบ่าเลี้ยมขนมใบเนี่ยตีสิงว่าใบดองตาสิงเนี่ยลอยเล็งได้แต่เราไปโกลแลนด์ตัวเราโกลแลนด์แบบมวยตัวแบบบุญสิงกับปงแต่ครอไม่ได้
โอ้ปีซะจ่ายจุมันสเปรย์ฟลิกเกอร์ถอยบ้านคนเดียวงานบอกครับเชื่อเราปีเราที่แท็กกิ้งมาเราจุมันดีสเปรย์ไอ้ที่การจ่ายจุมันสเปรย์ฟลิกเกอร์อาเจียนเตี้ยปะไหนจุมันการบอลสแตนจบจุมันบอลบ็อกเซตจ่ายจุมันสเปรย์ฟลิกเกอร์เราไปได้จุมันดีจุมันมาต่อกันก่อนนะจุมันคือไอ้ยาโดนด้วยปะนะที่แท็กเทลสูงกับบ้านมาปีกลางปะนะจุมันบอลสีเป็นไวทะเลสูงอยู่ด้านนอกปีนไปโดนตีปะไหนจุมันการรถปากจุมันเฮฟสปินไปตัวการเราทอยปีเป็นการเตะหน้าไปจุมันการจอบดูจ่ามวยมาสิงปีไปดูซากกับเราจุมันฟิลิกกับเราเป็นการฟันสามจุมันซาถ้าจุมันฟิลิกพวกเราจุมันตีไปจุมันดีจุมันสปอนไปโดนโอเดเวตจอร์ซันฟิลิกซันมวยเราตะปีเราปุ้ยไปตะลบาดูมันโดนเราจะเป็นกับไปบอกสังการเราจะเป็นไปหาจับปลาจุมันแทงเดียวจุมันบักซีไปได้จุมันซามันโดนเป็นการต่อเป็นสันซิงตอนนั้นจุมันซาปีโดนเป็นการต่อมาเพื่อตามบอกเคียร์มาสิงจากที่ชาวบ้านที่กูเซนจากที่มันต่อมาจุมันดีตะวันตะวันบอกนะไปเฮโร่โตลงไป
ตีไฟสัตว์แต่ลองชิมันแกตีมวยไปดิ
จะนอนแอร์คลาสสิโกไอฟิซูนั่น
มันตอนจับได้บักซี
มันซ้ำเชียร์จำนวนกระเด็นฟันดอมแมนไอฟรอก
เฮ้เบสเป็นมวยโจดิตรียอบานปนาปีเอซูปนาเอซูรู้ใจได้บ็อกซิ่งมาเราปนาจุมันนึงจุมันเรียนไล่ปนาสตันเอสไลกับมาเราดิแท็กเทลอันนี้ไม่ปัญหาจุมันตีสแปนมาต่อมันจับทีมไปทำนั่งดูมันต่อเตียดทำตีไวเคลียร์มันแต่นาย
ว่าต้องขอคึกติ๊กโกแลนด์มาโปรเว้ย
นั่ง
ว้าว
มาแล้วไว้บกสันยอดานดองไฟมันตัดจะระบอกซีโอจะเป็นลังโดยเคลียร์ปนาบอลมันมีปัญหาโนเต้
บ่ผมไปตอนนั้นผมวันเคสลอยเขาเนี่ยแต่ประมวยลอยแต่ปะเนาะเลยยอดจัดกระดาษเลยขึ้นเลยฟังทายอดเชียมก่อนในเช้าเราไปชิมไป
จุมันดังซาฝ่ายโดซาปีมาดูจุมันซาแล้วโดนสบายจุมันแฮมเซนจัดจุมันได้แท็กเทลตัดจุมันได้แท็กเทลนั่นเลยจุมันการรอจะเป็นจุมันยังไงมาเบียวปีเป้านักจุมันซาจุมันกูเซนมาได้จุมันดีจุมันจุมันกูเซนจุมันได้โปรจุมันมาจากปีเรามาได้จุมันไอ้ยาเอซูโยบาจุมันเอาปีมันต้องมาเป็นตีจุมันก็มาต้องแต่น้ำไม่ได้แต่ทีมไฟมันจับแต่ไม่โดนจุมันจะต้องเสนอก็ได้จุมันตีจุมันบ็อกซิ่งก็ต้องมันจับไปเคลียร์มาต่อเตียดโยตายมันต้องประมูลจุมันดันตะทอง
ฟรีฟอร์มของฟรีฟอร์ม
ซิงฟรีฟาร์ม
ซิงบอลประกาศเทคจุมันเคียวบอลแต่จังยอบานเคียวบอลแต่จุมันแข่งแล้วคู่แซนฟันแล้วซาคู่แซนปัจจุบันคู่แซนมาได้เฮ้ยจุมันได้สุดก็จุมันได้ดีสุดก็มาช่วยบ้านดีจุมันได้แท็กเดียวจับบ้านจุมันซาปัจจุบันซาเป็นไปยังในการต่อทอยพิซาโดนบ้านได้แต่จุมันฟิลิปก็มาได้ช่วยบ้านแต่วอตเมอร์บอกคู่แซนมาได้แข่งกลางไกลจุมันจุมันที่วันแต่ในบล็อกแข่งโปรอีสปอร์ตบ็อกซิ่งต่อการบ้านแต่ละฟิลิปจุมันได้ตลอดฟรีแต่การเสียอยู่แต่บ็อกซิ่งมวยโดนใบตาล็อกยังทำได้จุมันได้โซ่แล้ววอตเมอร์บ็อกซิ่งบ้านเราโจมามีวัดดูซาทะเลโซ่จับจุมัน សូទៅមិនបាត់ទៅមកវិញមកពីពីលេខអេស្លៃមកក្រោយមកពីអូពីមិនមានអារម្មណ៍ខានទៅតែជំនឿការយកបានជំនឿថតបានជំនឿទីបានជំនឿស៊ីមិនការដល់ជំនឿពីលេខចង់ក៏ពីជួបបាយទៅដល់មកពីលេខបាត់ទៅហើយ double kill មកពីស៊ីង
បាយក្បួនហើយប្រូបាយក្បួនហើយគាត់ត្រូវការ reset ហ្គេមមកវិញ
អេសា
ប្រូអើយចូលភាពតម្ងជួយនេះខ្ញុំមិនចឹងហ្គេមនេះគឺពឹងទៅលើ communication បើសិនយើងបាយ communication គឺគេយកគ្នាច្រើនបាយគ្នាតិចទេប្រូកំពុងតែចេញរូបភាពតម្ងជួយចូលរៀនចូលម្ដងម្នាក់
អេសេង
ចំ
Miss ជាមួយនៅ Ultimate Cruiser វត្តដល់តែជាមួយនឹងទីតែគេក៏បានដល់ជាមួយនឹង Cruiser ជាមួយនឹងបាដូចំណាប់បង្ហើយក្នុងការ Heaven Sinner ទូដល់ទៅពីរ៉ូបរ៉ាទៅយកបានជាមួយនឹងការ shut down ពីវិលេចមកដល់ជាមួយនឹងការ Sun វិលេចមានណាជួយវិលេចមកវិលេចមួយដល់បីការសាច់កាត់ពីមកសាមកពីបាត់ដល់ទីតែគេដាក់ជាមួយនឹងយកបានជាមួយនឹងសាជាមួយបានវិលេចទៅវិញទីតែគេក៏បានទីជាមួយនឹងការដល់ជាមួយ Boxing អេស៊ូមកក្រៅជាមួយនឹងសាជាដាក់ចំណប់ពីជាអូតូស្គីក្រៅខាងក្រៅជាខោបាត់ហើយឥឡូវមានការដាក់ជាមួយនឹងសាបាយទៀតហើយស្បាត់ទៅ
Pro Esport ចេញរូបភាពតម្ងជួយចូលរៀនម្ដងម្នាក់តែទៀតមិនបានតម្ងជួយគ្នាទៅម្ដងម្នាក់ចឹងគឺ Boxing មកពីក្រោយដែរទេគឺ Boxing ព្រី
បាទ9នាទី11 kill ទល់នឹង20 kill
សាមិនជះ
ម៉ែសាប្រមើលលុយអត់លឺច្រើនទេប៉ុន្តែគឺដាក់បន្ទុកទៅកាន់គ្រូតែ5ដង
Final slash ទៅលើ D7 បុកសាន់ដល់ទៅ2រកមាន ultimate នោះទេពី D7 Pro Esport នៅបន្តចង់កាត់តែជាមួយនឹង Lord នេះក៏យ៉ាងណាបងសាន់មួយចាត់ចូល D7 មានការដល់ថយបណ្ដាតែជាមួយនឹងគ្រូសាន់ចង់ឡោះជាមួយនឹង2មានការដល់ថយបណ្ដាជាមួយនឹង D7 ណារត់ជាមួយនឹងអាស័យមកពី OP រំខានឲ្យ Pro Esport ចាញ់បាត់ទៅហើយ Lord មួយនេះអាចទៅលើខាង CFU Gaming
បាទ contest ឡោះដល់ឈ្នះគេទេដាច់គេ 4K វាជារឿងមួយសំខាន់ Goland យើងក្រវាជារឿងមួយទៀតព្រោះដោយសារតែ Sing កំពុងមានចំណែក Gozen គឺដាច់ដល់ទៅ5ដង
សំខាន់ដោយសារ Sing គាត់ទេ
Gozen ផតដៃតែផតដៃ What បាទทีม fight ក៏បានបញ្ចប់ត្រឹមនេះជាមួយនឹងការអស់ជាមួយនឹង Spell Inspire
បាទគាត់ចេញមកមកក្បត់អាឡុតមកបាទអូបាទហើយ Skill 2បានឈ្នះអាឡុតណាតែថា Skill 2បានវាជាដូច Purify តែក្បត់អាឡុតស្ថិតនៅក្នុងប្រភេទ Displacement នៅក្នុង Mobile Legends គ្មានអ្វីអាចកាត់បាននោះទេក្រៅពី Immune អញ្ចឹងយក Skill 2បានទៅកាត់ Displacement មកក្បត់នឹងផ្ទះហ្វ្រី
ហ្នឹងហើយ
Lord
ញ៉ែពិបាកឲ្យពីអាឡុតខ្ញុំ
ទីចំណុច Skill 2បានទៅកាត់ក្បត់អាឡុតស្បៃ
កាត់មិនកើត
បាទ Displacement ហ្នឹង
បាទ Final slash មួយទៅការគូពី skill នៅខាងក្រោយគូសិតពីប្រាណេក្រមកខាងលើ Heavy Swing បានប្រាណនោះគ្នាបានការលោចូលមកពីលេខបាត់ជាមួយនឹង Sing បានហើយណាគាត់មេរបស់ខាង CPU Gaming បានដល់នោះគ្នាបានពីការបោពីការស្តានមកពីលេខក៏ត្រូវជាមួយនឹងគូសិតក៏ហ៊ានចូល Team Fight បញ្ចប់ជាមួយនឹងការ clear lane សិនមកជាមួយនឹង mini នៅខាងក្រោមបុកបណ្ដាច់ seal របស់ Pro Esport Tier 3ទៅនៅខាងក្រោម
អត់ចូលម្នាក់មកគេកាយអប់គ្នានឹងកាំងទាំងពីរនាក់យក
បាទជាមួយនឹងការលោចូលចាត់ជាមួយសារតែទីតែ kill fight 3 hero ពីបានចាប់បាន2 hero ទីស្វែងក៏លងខ្លួននឹងគ្នាបានហើយតែជាមួយនឹងគូសិតដាក់ជាមួយពីនៅខាងក្រោយពីរនសាល់លើបន្ត Team Fight នៅណាទីស្វែងបន្តឡើងទៅតែជាមួយនឹង Boxing ជាមួយនឹងទីតែដូមតាកែមកជាមួយទីស្វែងបណ្ដាច់ចោលសិនតែជាមួយ Sing នៅខាងក្រោយពីដាក់ជាមួយនឹង
Sing
បាត់ជាមួយ Sing បាទជាមួយ គូសិនបណ្ដាច់2ដល់នឹង3
ជុំ player ចាញ់ឡើងហើយបាទអូពីក៏ត្រូវតាម flow មកវាយអ្នកខំអូពីឡើងទៅលើគេប្រឡេះ
បាទ
Sing ត្រូវមកតាមអ្នកខំនេះគ្នា Sing នឹងបុកចូលទៅដើម្បីវាយមួយពីគេប្រឡេះទៀត
ធូសានBoxing ចំបំបែកក្បាលទៅលើ Cruiser ដែលជាមួយនឹង Ultimate របស់ Boxing អេស៊ូតែ Boxing ទឹកបាទូ Final Slash
កកនៅវ៉ាឌូមានកកទេដល់ពេលអញ្ចឹងទៅវ៉ា
គាត់តែឃើញជាមួយនឹងសាច់ភ្លាមស៊ីភ្លាមនឹងនុយរបស់គេ
ហ្នឹងហើយ
13ជាមួយនឹងទីដល់ជាមួយនឹង Lord តែជាមួយនឹងទីស្វែតបុកហាប់ជើងនៃការចាយ Figure Counter មួយប្រាណ Ultimate របស់ POP នៅបន្តនៃការបាទ Lord តមកស៊ីមចាស់200តែបន្តជាមួយនឹងខាង Team Pro ជាមួយនឹងការដល់ទៅការបាទ Heaven Spin ចូលជាមួយបាយរ៉ូមិនចូលទេមែនទេអេស៊ូទាត់ដាច់មកពី Sing បានការ Lord Ultimate ការចូលយកភ្លាមដល់ជាមួយនឹង Cruiser ទៅណាបាញ់ Cruiser បាយដល់មកពីស្លាបានចូលបានជាមួយនឹង Boxing តែជាមួយនឹងទីតែ Kill តែនៅខាងក្រោមដាច់ដល់4 Hero ទៅ
វាយលើមានសាមបែវមានការវាយប៉ោយកតែម្ដងខណៈពេលមានការអូអេ
សាចាប់អូខេ
វាយទៀត
ជួយនឹងកត់ចាញ់បន្តជាមួយការជាបន្តតែជាមួយនឹងមីនីចាញ់មកតែពីមិនដល់ What a save ពីសា triple kill Sing អើយ Sing
បាទជាមួយនឹង Team Fight មីនីក៏មានការ shut down Boxing ហើយនឹងបាដូម្នាក់7 kill ដូចគ្នាជាមួយហ៊ានតែគេដោយសារតែយើងមានអ្វី prepare តែបើសិនជាយើងលាឈ្នះ game ក្រោយអាចនឹងបិទ
ចំលេឡត
Reload ចូលឡតយកតាមដល់ជាមួយនឹង Boxing ចូល lock ទៅលើ Cruiser ស្តានយកតាមដល់ជាមួយនឹងការ knock up អាណាទៅ
Sing ជាមួយ
នឹងការយកទៅឡតសិនមក Air Strike យកបានឡតបានជាមួយនឹងការឡតទៅលើ Boxing ដាក់ជាមួយនឹង Ace តោះដាច់មកពី Sing ឥឡូវមកដល់ជាមួយនឹងការចូលចូលតាមដល់ជាមួយនឹងយកប្រកាស Team យកចាំដល់ជាមួយនឹងការឡតចូលដាក់ជាមួយនឹង Boxing ការចាយជាមួយ Flicker ដាក់ជាមួយនឹង Boxing នៅទេសាដល់ថយលោកគ្នា reset ឡតក៏បានមកដល់លោកគ្នាមកដែរ
បាទភ្លាមគឺឡតមីនីចាស់ហេងបានតែសាច់អត់បានហើយមានសង្គ្រោះថ្នាក់ដូចគ្នា khiêm khe lót bán nó thế
chọc bác sĩ
khe lót bán nó thế lót tới ban clear đã cho chắc xem vô kìa mình tại lối mà cái này không đi bay kèm phán nữa
ế tí sven bạc đại thùng mà đã trái flicker airstrike mà tao bio pi bay đó sabi bay được cha ban chúng ta đi sven tại chúng ta đi sven bữa nay chúng taการcho tới bay mini mà tao black chúng ta thiê sri sẽนะครับ mini mà tao nó lên thiê anhยัง see you มาตอนนะครับ push บันไดchúng taว่าจะเป็นไปสู้กับบัน spawn ไปอยู่ที่
พอไหม
เปลี่ยนก็มาเอาไปยัดไฟนัสลามมันได้ยัดประตูไฟนัสลามมันเอา
reset
ได้จำอย่าลด
เกมคือตะบาน reset บันไดสั่นเงี้ยแต่การลอยช่องเหมือนกันบอกมันนี่คือตัวบ้านเขาแต่ฟรามเคได้เล็กๆกันนี่อาชีพเกมเดิมบ่าไม่เน้นบอกน้องแต่ใบเลย
ชุบในการเปลี่ยนชวนมาไปดีสเปนชุบในการชวนในการเอาไปดูได้เยอะไปได้บนการบอกไปได้ชุบในสกีระบบปีบัญจับตรำนี่
ปราชัยเพลนมันนั่งไว้ไอ้หนุ่มออสเปนตาเกตบ่าแต่ตัวตาห้าสิบ
plan มันยังไงเบอร์ซันจีวาดูเมฟลิกអាចដាច់តែលើគូសែនទៀតព្រោះគាត់មិនកំសៀលមកគឺតម្រូវមកគឺឈ្មោះលើគូសែនយកមកគាត់ดูមិនចាត់ទៅដល់មកតាមមេហ្វ្លិក
តែបដាច់គូសែនក៏ដែរគាត់ការតឡតគាត់ការតឡត
ក៏រឿងជ្រៅហីរឿងជ្រៅណា
អរេបដាច់គូសែនក៏ដែរគាត់ការតឡត
នេះស្បែកបោកមកជាមួយនឹងវល់ជាប់ជួយរបស់ស៊ីគ្នាខ្ញុំទៅណាជាមួយនឹង air strike បន្តគ្រាន់តែតេសឈាមគ្នាតិចតួចតែបដទៅផ្ទះមួយសិនទៅព្រឡតក៏ចិត្តចេញមកដែរ
ពេលស្កាកម្មវាយគេឲ្យអស់ស្បែលគេមិនខ្ចីអស់សំណួរសួរថាបើសិនជាគេ delay lot dance ទៅមកមីនៀនបខំណាគេអ្នកទៅតុប
yes
ណាគេអ្នកទៅតុបណាគេមាន mobility ខ្ពស់ជាងគេ
វ៉ាន់
អស់លឿនទេធម្មតាណាស់
yes
តែគាត់លឿនខ្លាំង
អេបាទពាំងមួយ
Hello
ញាក់ឆ្វេងសាំចង្កេះរៀងរាវចាត់រៀងសៀវដូចជំរាបគូសែនវាយជាមួយនឹងកៅពីវិញមកបណ្ដាជំរាបការជួយវិញកោនឡំលេនបាទជាមួយនឹងគូសែនបាទហើយតែលោកបាទជាមួយដល់ពីលោកទៅបណ្ដាជាមួយនឹងការបណ្ដាការពីជាមួយនឹងអេស៊ូជាមួយនឹងការសាផានស្លាមមកវិញលោកទៅបាទចាប់បាទជាមួយនឹងសេមីជាមួយនឹងម៉ូថាឡាទីជាមួយការតែងតបទៅលេនមកការតែងតបការជួយដល់បាទពីហ្វីលីកទៅគ្នាបាទជាមួយនឹងតែកែវពីការវាយតែទៅគ្នាបាទជាមួយនឹងប្រូអេស្ពតទៅសារជាមួយនឹងបាក់សេវ៉ាដូមិនអាចចូលជួយបានទេ
ไม่ได้รีสอร์ท
យូវ៉ាដូមកវិញវ៉ាដូមកវិញទៅគ្របដៅយកទៅភ្លាមជួយនឹងបាក់ស៊ីរត់រួច
อย่ารอสนายตั้งรำสกัดอย่ารอสนาย
ជួយមាននៅក្រោនអត់មានចាស់
មានវាយទេ
បាទជួយនេះស្វានសាមកវិញប៉ុន្តែជាក់ទៅលើបាត់អីចាប់បាក់ស៊ីផ្ទះបាក់ស៊ីមួយ
មីនៀនវាយទេអើយតាមក៏ពិតមែនអារម្មណ៍ក៏ត្រជាក់នៅពេលដែលសល់4-2គាត់គួរទៅតបៃឡតយូរណាស់ហើយតែ
ឥឡូវគេមកតណា
តែខ្ញុំនិយាយនៅទៅតារាសម្រាប់យើងយើងអត់ដែរប្រកួតយើងដឹងអារម្មណ៍ពេលហ្នឹងគឺហែបខ្លាំងណា
ឡតជាមួយនឹងឡតអ៊ីវ៉ូសម្រាប់ដល់ detective ក៏បានដល់ knock up មួយដូចគ្នាប៉ុន្តែបានចូលយកបានទៅដែរគឺវីចាញ់យកតែម្ដងអត់ចូលមកនេះ3យកបាននេះអេសបាទជួយដល់ពីបានដល់ detective ចុច win ទៅក្រៅទៅមិនដែររត់រួចពីក្រុមខ្ញុំរបស់ប្រូស្វាប់ដែរពីកូសែនហ្គេមទី1 16នាទីចូលមក3នាទីប៉ុន្តែឡតមួយនេះក៏ជាឡតរបស់ប្រូស្វាប់តែជាឡតអ៊ីវ៉ូ
វ៉ូជាហ្គេមទី1ស័ក្តិសមជាហ្គេម Grand Final ខ្លាំងមែនតើបាទ
អី delay lot ក៏ស្ប៉មមានចាញ់ច្រើន
គាត់អាំងមាន flick
អាកៃនៅពីក្រោយកាអាកៃនៅពីក្រោយសឺបួ
គាត់ចាំឲ្យ7 10 scan ទៀត
បាក់សេអស់ flicker មួយបាទ
មានខំបុកទៀតយ៉ាត់បាក់ស៊ីស៊ីទៀត
detective កាត់
យ៉ាត់បាក់ស៊ីស៊ីទៀត
បាក់ស៊ីអាយ៉ាឡាពូតែមួយ
បាទហៀលណាមួយឡាពូបាទខាងក្រោម
យ៉ា strike មួយគូសែនអស់ជាមួយនឹងឈាម 30% ឡើងវិញជាមួយនឹងឡត
បុកស៊ីកាក់ឡើងទៀត
ចូលនោះទេ final slash ពិសាចាយជាមួយស្បែកជាមួយចូលទៅបាយបាទធ្វើសេងដាក់ជាមួយសេងបាទហើយសាជាមួយនឹងការទីមកតែទីដល់ពេលឡតនេះជាមួយគូសែនមកវិញលោកនេះមិនបានដូវាយដៃគាត់នេះវាយដូទីមកតែទីដល់ឡើងមកវិញបាទ
បុកស៊ីមក
បាយឲ្យមកចាប់
បុកស៊ី
អាយ៉ាចាប់អត់មាន map មកម្នាក់គាត់អាចចូលតាមណាបានជាមួយពីក្រោមបន្តទៀតគ្នាបានឡតអាចគ្នាបានដែរទេ final slash ចូលទៅខាងក្នុងជាមួយការបោះវល់
feeling មកដល់ហើយ
បុកស៊ីជាមួយពីក្រោមជាមួយនឹងបុកស៊ីវ៉ាដូក៏បានបោកជាមួយនឹងបោតែទីឡប់មកវិញលោកនេះបាទទីតែគេដាច់ជាមួយនឹង detective មកវិញ
3ស្មើ
ហើយទៅបុកស៊ីវាយដៃដំណាច់បុកស៊ីវាយដៃដំណាច់បុកស៊ីមានម៉ូថលទិញពីនៅក្រៅមកទៅยืนពេលប៉ុណ្ណាដាច់ជាមួយនឹង mortality ពីបុកស៊ីទៅទៅលើអេស៊ូប៉ុណ្ណា
3ស្មើវាយនេះស្មែន
ខាងក្រោយឌីសវ៉ានបុកជួយនៃការចែកជាមួយនឹងអាហ្វ្រិកចេញវិញនៅគ្រាប៉ុណ្ណេះតែកន្លែងជាមួយពីរលេចវាយទៅលើបុកស៊ីក្បីជាប់ជាមួយនឹងបុកស៊ីតាមយកដល់មែនតែបុកស៊ីវាយទៅលើពីរលេចតែជាមួយនឹងច្បាន់មកវិញវាយបុកស៊ីជាមួយនឹងពីរលេចគូសានក៏បានស្ប៉នវិញមកវាយទៅដល់ស្ប៉នឯរ៉ូមួយ
សុំលេហូយបានដល់អ្នកគ្នាអូយ
បុកស៊ី The King of Roma វាយទាំងអស់នៅក្នុងហ្គេមនេះរកអ្នក carry game ឃើញហើយ carry ឲ្យល្អខ្លាំងមែនទេ
បាទ
Team Fight ចូលទៀត
ព្រីសមីនៀនមួយសាក៏បានការមកfinal start ត្រូវទេអាស្រ័យក៏បានប្រាចោលដូចគ្នាបងដែរជាមួយនឹងគូសែននៅសល់ជីវិតនៅឡើយជាមួយនឹងស៊ូនវិការដល់តយចា final start លើបុកស៊ីទៅបុកស៊ីបានហើយ The Goat បុកស៊ីជាមួយនឹងការបបដេញវាយមកវិញដែរជាមួយនឹងស៊ីងទាត់ពីស៊ីង
ជាបាយឡត
មកវាឡត
អូបកស៊ីអូជាមួយនឹង Felix អូ ESP និងអស់ Romer តែ Felix កានមុន
អេសូងអញនៅដាច់ឯងគូដែរតែមានការជាមួយនឹង Heavy Spinner កោជួបការបបមកដៃបានឡតស៊ីងស៊ីងទាត់ទៅឡាស៊ីងតាជាមួយនឹងសាជាមួយនឹងទីស្បែកណាមកតមានមកតលើទីការមកវិញណាជាមួយនឹងគូសែនមិនអាចយក stack លោត ultimate ដល់ទេតែឡាទៅសំសេកឡូត ultimate គូសែនលងខ្លួនបាត់ហើយពីរដល់សល់វាយទៀតដាច់
លងខ្លួនបានហើយជាមួយនឹងគូសែនថយយកឡតទៅបុកទៀត
បាទជាមួយនឹងការជួយនៅក្រោនជាមួយនឹងពីលេចដាច់ជាមួយនឹងពីលេចមានមកទៅលើទីដល់មកវិញបណ្ដាជាមួយនឹងពីក្រោនអត់មាននោះទេវាយទៀតយកតាមដល់ជាមួយនឹងស៊ូបានសាដាច់ជាមួយនឹងស៊ូមួយទៀតបន្តបាត់ហើយ
Wipe out It's over ចេញជាមួយនឹងហ្គេមទី1គេនៅទៅបានទៅលើ
See you game
60 kill ជាង